man. We read about him in Judges 19. You know what he did? He did the most unimaginable thing possible. He was sleeping. He was sleeping. If you read Judges 19, you'll understand what I'm talking about. When the woman of his life was being raped on the doorstep, night long, he was sleeping, because the Bible says he woke up, or he got up in the morning. Can you imagine that? His country was going back to the days of Sodom and Gomorrah, but this young Levite, this guy in ministry, he was sleeping. His country was going back to the days of Sodom and Gomorrah. The sins that Sodom and Gomorrah committed, the same sins this town in Benjamin, the town of Gibeah, these men were committing. And they were not committing it to some XYZ. They were committing that sin against the woman in his own life. And he was so callous, so cold. He was sleeping. Sleeping. India is seeing the days of Sodom and Gomorrah. India Today magazine ran a sex survey in December 2008, interviewing 5,000 men and women between 18 and 40. And this is what the article said. Approval rates for everything considered censorious are high. Everything considered wrong, approval rates are very high. People say it's okay. People say premarital sex is okay. People say homosexuality is okay. People say pornography is okay. Everything is okay. Approval rates for everything considered censorious are high. And then there was an article about the city I live in, my adopted hometown, Hyderabad. It said even Titanic received only 14 Oscar nominations at 111. But Hyderabad, India's second largest city, has more than 15 firsts in the India Today Sex Survey 2008, thus confirming that it is unarguably the sex capital of India. Look at the sex Oscars. Look at the awards Hyderabad won. Hyderabad leads India in these areas. Highest incidence of adultery, wife swapping, sex with prostitutes, sanction and practice of homosexuality, use of sex toys, practice of underage sex, use of pornography, even making one's own porn videos, says Dr. Sudhakar Krishnamurthy, world-famous andrologist who lives in this country. Now, can I read that and can I just go to sleep and get up and can I have my cup of coffee and can I suck my thumb? I gotta get up and do something about it. I gotta kneel down and pray for my city. I gotta run. I gotta sweat. I gotta do something about it. I can't be careless. Are you sleeping in insensitivity?